Good morning, guys. Today I'm just gonna show you the egg in the can breakfast, and all you're gonna need is some Pillsbury, like some sort of roll or cinnamon bun. I do prefer like the croissant though; those are probably the best one you can use. Some butter, maybe mini biscuits. Preferably you'd like either sausage or some type of bacon. And if you like vegetables in it, or you're just vegetarian, you can use green beans and corn. And here's some cheese, or you could either use like just a layer of cheese or just shredded cheese, and any type of egg that you need, is white or brown. So, you're gonna need butter, at least a teaspoon, mini biscuits, eggs, an egg, at least one, that's white or brown, sausage, a sausage or a strip of bacon. If you want vegetables or starch, you can use potatoes, corn, or green beans. And either you want like shredded cheese or just a normal layer of cheese. And you could use onions if you like to like top it off at the end. And when you're gonna use your can, for me, I found it best to just take out all the contents and then like dip it in water. But it's really up to how you choose to do it. And all you have to do is take it off and make sure you can get as much paper contents as you can. So then you can just take a butter, make sure you cut away from yourself. So just put about this teaspoon here. And then you put your bacon. Next, you'll crack an egg over the bacon. Then make sure you can put it in the trash. Make sure you change your glove after cracking the egg, especially if any yolk got on it. And make sure you wash your hands for 20 seconds before you put your next set of gloves on. Next, after you crank your egg over, you either want to put a slice of cheese or just some shredded cheese over the egg. And after the cheese, you finally put either your Pillsbury roll or mini biscuits. Now, once you have it all to your liking, you can just get some tin foil and just use some nice high quality tin foil and make sure it's totally surrounded. If you have to use more than one, it's okay. So then after your tin foil, make sure that you set it on your coals, and then after around 20 minutes, your biscuit should have browned. Everything should be fully cooked. And all you have to do is just eat out the can, and you'll have egg in a can.